Could we be seeing a massive sell-up in the coming days for apecoin, guys? Find out in today's episode. What's up, guys? Welcome back to your daily source of news on all things crypto, and make sure you stay till the end for my apecoin price prediction. In today's news, we have apecoin staying at 12.59, up 6%. An upward trend for apecoin has been seen in just the past 24 hours, but overall we've been going on a downward trend for the past week or so. But could we be seeing a downward trend once again? A 70% drop in 2 weeks for apecoin. An euphoric price rally by apecoin seen in mid-March appears to be exhausted already, thanks to the coin's 70% drop in value in the past 2 weeks, and it may fall further in April. But at the core of this bearish outlook is a rising wedge, a technical pattern that forms as the price consolidates upward inside a range defined by two converging ascending trend lines. In a perfect scenario, rising wedges resolve into a bearish breakout, confirmed by a decisive drop below the lower trend line that typically takes the price as low as the maximum wedge's height. Apecoin has been painting a very similar pattern since March 18th, as shown in the chart below. The coin recently broke below its rising wedge's lower trend line, bringing itself in proximity with the setup's theoretical price target near $9, about 30% lower than April 1st's price. Meanwhile, a clear divergence between rising prices and falling volumes across the last 2 weeks also indicated a weakening upside momentum, raising the chances of a drop towards the wedge target as discussed above. So inflationary risks being the bear setup emerges as markets continue to look for clues about Ape's utility in the NFT and metaverse sector. To recap, Yuga Labs, the firm behind the popular BAYC NFT collection, minted 1 billion apecoin as the governance token of their new decentralized autonomous organization. Then they airdropped 10,000 ape to each BAYC NFT owner, amounting to 15% of the total supply. Meanwhile, Ape gained listing across some of the leading crypto exchanges, including FTX and Binance, on the same day, providing avenues for BAYC owners to liquidate their Ape rewards instantly. As it happened, Ape rose from nearly $1 to nearly $41 on its March 17th debut, but has since seen a strong correction. Josh Ver, a co-CEO of Spark World, a prediction platform for NFTs, noted that Ape's current valuation, still around 1,200% higher than its debut price on Binance, is a result of the hype, excitement, and exuberance around Yuga Labs' success as a blue-chip startup. Yuga Labs, the studio behind the collection, are a commercially viable business. Last year, they saw over $127 million in revenue, he explained, adding that if apecoin holders received a share of these profits, then Ape would hold considerable fundamental value. But Ben Lilly, a token economist at Jarvis Labs, raised concerns about apecoin's inflationary model, which could weigh its valuation down in the future. So guys, we've seen some opposing views on the future of apecoin. Some people think it will go on the rise indefinitely, but some people are way more skeptical. In my opinion, apecoin has a lot of potential, and as we've seen in the past few weeks, many of the biggest crypto whales have been investing into this coin, and Yuga Labs have been making some massive waves in the industry with their airdrops and new projects. We've also been seeing the BAYC collection endorsed by some massive names in just the past few weeks, like Wiz Khalifa, Snoop Dogg, and Madonna, guys. So this coin has the backing of many of the biggest pop celebrities, guys. So definitely don't skip out on apecoin, guys. This has huge potential. That's it for today's news, guys. Come back tomorrow.